So we will be doing a dreamy keys sound. What's up everyone, BZLess here. Welcome to the Sweet Sound Sunday. What is it all about? It's all about creating nice sounds, experimenting and having loads of fun. Okay, so today we will be using a couple of plugins. The first and most important that will generate our sound will be Chiral by Force.
Chiral,
which is kind of a synthesizer. It's a Max for Live device, so you will need to have an Ableton Suite version to follow along, but it's fun. Then we also have some nice other plugins to add at the end of the chain to make it even nicer and even dreamier. Okay, so let's dive into the Ableton and see how it's done. Come on. Okay, so now we have the track ready and let's grab our
Chiral.
It should be in packs. If you don't have it here, you can download it. If you go to available packs, it should be here. You can just click download and that should install in a moment, but I have it here already. It has some presets already shipped with it, but I don't actually need it. Let's make a clean instance of
Chiral.
I actually added it to my favorites, so I can find it here. Nice and easy. So that's how it looks like, and it is a interesting piece of synthesizer. So let's listen to the first notes. Okay, a bit cluttery, so let's do something about it. Let's play with anything we can play. So let's try the sync. So it's like a wavetable synthesizer, only you create wavetables just like that by twisting and dragging these. I can probably map these to my, oh that's nice, to my keyboard. Okay, let's do that quickly. So let's press MIDI. Okay, so let's assign things here. So sync will be this first one, size, band, fold. I don't need noise then, AM, this one, frequency, this one, feedback, this one. Okay, let's try how does it sound now. Okay, interesting. Now let's try to do something with the tone. That's a little overdrive here. A bit even hard overdrive at the moment. Okay, so let's try creating something now. I could actually stop now, it's perfect. But let's play a little bit with the slope here. So we have a matrix here. So what you can do is assign the slope to the sync. To folds. How does the slope looks like that? Let's leave it like this. Free running, trigger, one shot. Amen. So far so good. Let's play with the gravity. What does that do? That's like a delay stuff. Oh, that's weird, but fun. It would be fun to sample that, actually, resample, to have it ready for some other projects, like this glitchy sound. Let's drive the other way. That's cool. Okay, let's layer it down with something more. So let's group this by Control G or Command G. Let's add another chiral.
Chiral.
And then we'll see what's gonna happen. Let's switch the first one off and let's do some kind of complementary sound to it. Something delicate as well. Plucky, so with a more release. Not that aggressive. Let's add noise here straight away. Okay, let's add a utility so we can turn the volume down a bit. And another one here. Let's drive it down like 5 decibels here and the same here. Let's play them both together. That's cool. Like it. Now let's do something more with it. So what can we do? Let's look for some nice effects. Let's go crazy a little bit. So let's go Valhalla Freak Echo on top of everything. Okay, and let's play with it now. You can automate that for some nice phasing effect. Really cool. Right, yeah, let's destroy it a little bit. So let's take saturator, maybe. Let's do this. Output down by... Let's put the saturation... No, let's leave it here actually. Let's compress it a little bit so we get all these quiet sounds a bit louder. So ratio... Hold on, let's dig a little bit into that sound. Let's add a little bit of a makeup. Too much. Yeah, the sound is a little bit fuller here, but let's try over here. And now let's add some tape effect to that. I have an Arturia Tape Mellow-Fi. Let's play with it a little bit. A little bit less of the wow and flutter. So I'm pretty happy with this sound, actually. Nice keys, like a dreamy keys, could be used for lo-fi or could be used for what else? Basically anything you want, some nice instrumental music. Well, that's it, I guess. Okay, guys, so how did you like it so far? I liked it a lot. This
Chiral.
Bioforce is a really powerful tool. You can use it for so many different types of sounds, from bass sounds to pads to keys or whatnot. So if you liked the video, hit the like button, that helps a lot. And also subscribe so you won't miss on any other of my future videos. And if you want to see some other sounds a bit darker that I've designed already, here is the really nice video. Just click here about dark, drony, cinematic texture. You'll definitely like it. Okay, so thanks so much for watching and see you guys in the next video. Cheers!